Today, I'm going to make one of my own s'mores cobbler almost until National S'mores Day every August 10th. First things first, I preheat the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure the oven will be nice and hot. You're going to take 9 by 13 inch baking pan that I decided to overlap it to line it with aluminum foil and spray it with non-stick cooking spray with butter. We're going to start by preparing for the chocolate pudding batter. We're going to use these for Jell-O chocolate pudding mix and pie filling mix. I'm going to use the one to try 5.9 ounces. I'm going to put this right into the bowl. I'm going to pour 3 cups of very cold milk. You can use whatever kind of milk you prefer. Whole milk, soy milk, skim milk, 1%, 2% goat's milk, even dairy-free. I'm going to use low-fat milk. Now you're going to whisk these for 2 minutes on high, and I'm going to use it with the electric mixer. Alright, this has been after 2 minutes whisking over that I've been used for wire attachment. We're going to softly set for 5 minutes. That tells you the Jell-O boxes is on the back. And we'll just set this for a moment. I have a prepared pan 9 by 13 inch that I've been designed with the aluminum foil to overline it. Easy cleanup. So we're going to pour these has been prepared for the chocolate pudding batter. I'm just going to spread it right around. You can see the chocolate pudding has been very nice and soft. Now the first layer of the chocolate pudding. So let's put 12 graham cracker squares. This is for the second layer. There's the second layer of the graham cracker. Now I'm going to put the third layers. I'm going to try with these Hershey's Milk Chocolate bar. It has only 7.56 ounces. This has only giant 25 pieces. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Here's the Hershey's Milk Chocolate candy bar. And this is what I'm going to use it for, like I'm saying, 7.56 ounce. I'm going to put these for the little pieces at a time while the oven's waiting for me. Okay, I have only break it for 25 pieces of 1 by 1. Now I'm going to put these for the cake mixes. This is going to use it for the chocolate cake mix. I'm going to be using Betty Crocker Super Moist Triple Chocolate Fudge Cake Mix. This is really delight. This has to be for the 15.25 ounces of those. Here's what it looks for the Betty Crocker that I'm going to try with the brand name that it just looks like this one. So we're going to put those cake mixes right on top. Has put the third layer of the chocolate bar. Just like you're making for the dump cake. Just got to move this around. You can see all those cake mixes that I dump it in. So this is the 4th layer of the chocolate cake mix. Now for the 5th layer, you're going to take 1 stick of unsalted butter that I cut it for 8 tablespoons full. You're going to take a tablespoonful of the butter at a time for this. You're going to layer right on top of the cake mix. Now I'm going to put this has been already preheated for 350 degrees. We're going to bake this for 25 to 30 minutes. Just watch carefully and keep your eye on it in the oven. Alrighty little buddy, let's go into the oven. I'm going to see you for 25 to 30 minutes. So after it's been starting with 25 to 30 minutes for first, we're going to take it out of the oven and we're going to give this for a stir. You can see the cake mixes, the pudding, the chocolate, and the graham crackers that needs to break it up. So make sure to break all these. That you can see those cake mixes. After it's been just bubbles up. Alright, it just break it up here. You can see it's just almost kind of moist. And we're going to wait for the next layer. Let's put about 10-ounce package of miniature marshmallows. I'm going to use Jet Puffs mini marshmallows. So let's sprinkle these marshmallows right on top of that after has been breaking over. You can spread it over here. You use it with your hands. Gonna move these little marshmallows right around. Right, after the marshmallows, I'm gonna try with 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Depends how much chocolate do you like for it. It's gonna be nice and chocolate taste. I'm gonna sprinkle right on top of the marshmallows. Now this is for the last layer of the chocolate chips. So that was before of the Hershey's Milk Chocolate bar. Here we are. We got the marshmallows and the chocolate chips has been already layered for the last. We're going to return it back in the oven for 8 minutes. Make sure to wear oven mitts while the pan is still hot. Alright, it's been after secondly for 8 more minutes. The total will be 33 to 38 minutes. I took it out of the oven. We're going to put this on a wire rack and let it cool for 15 minutes. Then you can give you guys to show you, and you can see the marshmallows just puffs up, has been lightly toasted, and the chocolate chips has been over for the marshmallows. It has been melted over here, and I can smell this chocolate right inside this lovely s'mores. And here's the finish, s'mores cobbler. If you're interested for more recipes, write down in the comments below if you want to say something. Make sure to view, always watch for shares. Subscribe my channel, click the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video. Always remember, don't forget to smash the like button. As always, happy National S'mores Day.